Unit 3 Vocabulary Quiz, Unrest and Rebellion. Matching. Number 1, loyalist. Number 2, patriot. Number 3, act. Number 4, Minutemen. Number 5, Congress. Choices to choose from for matching. Letter A, an American colonist remain loyal to Great Britain. B, ready to fight in a minute's notice. C, an American colonist who strongly opposed British rule. D, a formal decision or the like by legislature, ruler, or court. E, a formal meeting or law-making body. And as you see here, number 3, act has been done for you, and the answer is letter D. Multiple choice. Number 6, a soldier who is paid to fight for another country is A, a mercenary, B, militia, C, traitor. Number 7, to refuse to use or buy something as a form of protest is A, tax, B, militia, C, boycott. Number 8, Britain's law-making assembly is A, Parliament, B, tax, C, Congress. Number 9, the fee imposed by the government on its citizens that is used for public services is A, tax, B, act, C, fine. Number 10, a volunteer army is A, spies, B, militia, C, mercenary.